In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy videos on TikTok. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok and then you want to click on this arrow at the bottom right. From there, you have all of these different options like report, not interested, saved video. But we're not interested in the saved video. You want to scroll down until you see this more and then click on copy. And if I were to go to my notes and I paste it here, as you can see, we have the link. If I click on that link, it's going to open the video I copied, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.